Oh, hey there, friend. The Mackinac Bridge rises like a thread between two worlds, where water carries stories and steel touches the sky. I'm glad you're here. I brought along a pack today. Let's open it right here. Just the bridge, the waves, and whatever we find inside. That's okay. 2 rares in a pack, I'll take it. Thanks for spending a little time with me here. There's something about standing beneath something so vast. It makes the small moments feel just a little more meaningful. Until next time, stay joyful, stay curious, and as always, may your packs be full of wonder.